Hi everybody, welcome back. Today for you I have update number 1 on my Project Pan Mini Madness rolling pan. So this panning project is in collaboration with the wonderful ladies over at the PANtastic Ladies Facebook group. Down below in the description box I will leave a link to the Facebook page as well as a link to the Google document that you can click on all the videos you want to watch the other ladies who are participating in this collab. I highly recommend that you do. This one is a lot of fun. I'm really enjoying this. So let's get in and see what my progress was this month. So starting off, the First Aid Beauty Cleanser. Love this stuff. I have been using this at night on my Clarisonic, and I only have, it's really hard for me to see through here to mark it because it's a very opaque container. But I think I've probably only got a couple more uses left out of this and then that's done. But I've really enjoyed this. I usually always do enjoy products from First Aid Beauty anyway, but I've made huge progress on this. The Hourglass Vanish Foundation Stick, I forgot to use it. I've had so many opportunities, but to be fair, I've been doing some wear tests on some new foundations. So usually when, I do a wear test on those before I'm going to present the product and review it, I have worn it for at least a week straight under different conditions. So I just haven't gotten a chance to get into this, but I need to before the seasons change and I'm out in the sun more. Next up is the Smashbox Photo-Finish. This is my Ride or Die of primer. I do love this. I have not marked it because I am right up here. I'm just slightly in the black, about ready to come down into this one. This one again, probably, I want to say 4 to 6 months, somewhere in between that time is when this will get used up, but I am making progress. I do use this all the time. Next up is the Benefit Gimme Brow. Ugh, my arm is getting worn out. This is the Benefit Gimme a Brow, and this one is a number 4, which is the deepest shade. I've been using this nonstop as my brow setter. There is, I really can't see how much is in there, but I do know that when I'm going in, I'm kind of wiggling around the sides and pulling out products. So we are definitely getting somewhere with that. I expect this to be done within probably at least a month or 2, maybe sooner. The Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm. Oh my goodness, I have been using this regularly. I only have what's a little bit left around the edges. You use so very little, it just takes forever to get through, but I am making pretty good progress on it, so I'm happy about that. Next up is my Smashbox Photo-Finish Radiance Primer. I think I probably have about 2/3 of this left. I've probably used about 1/3 of it. Again, with doing wear tests with foundations, I've thrown this under in a couple of those conditions because this one is more of a backlighting primer. We'll get to the 2 eye pencils I have next. First one is the Sephora Gel Eyeliner. This one is in the shade Love Affair. I have used it, the tip snub down a little bit, but I haven't even had to sharpen it yet. And I've used it pretty regularly, or I'm trying to. I'm not the biggest eyeliner wearer out there, and I have so many of them. I'm thinking I really kind of need to get through these. So last time when I announced this one, I accidentally called it Hourglass, but that's because I had just been talking about the Vanish stick. This is the Makeup Forever Aqua XL eyeliner. This is in the shade M10, which is just your basic black. And we've not really gotten anywhere. I haven't even worn down the nub yet, and I haven't sharpened it once, so hopefully I can get some more. Those might take me a whole year to get through. I'm not even playing. I don't wear eyeliner that often. Next up, my Tarte Color Splash Hydrating Lipstick. This is one in the shade Set Sail. I am wearing it today, and I have used up a little bit of it actually. You can see the tip starting to definitely bullet a little bit more where you can tell where I've been using it there. And there's not much in here, but it's, it's still lipstick. It's hard to get through. This is kind of an everyday go-to color for me, so not hard to use this one. I've been keeping it in my purse. And I'm so excited about this last one, even though I kind of shouldn't be. This was definitely a give me the moment I put in there. But hey, I'm still excited. It is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. It is empty. I've used all of this up, but then again, to be fair, this is my setting spray, so this is a daily use item for me. But I did finish it. So since I did finish it, that means I get to replace it with a product since this is a rolling pan. So the product that I'm replacing this with, I have never used. This was, I think, a free gift with purchase. This is the Tarte Ready Set Radiance, and I've never used it. It's supposed to be a skin mist. I don't know if it's more of a setting spray. I'll kind of have to do some research on it. So yay, I did get through one product, and that has just given me all kinds of feels that I can do this and get through all these cute little tiny items that I have just stockpiling in a basket next to me. So that's what I have for you today. That is my update number 1 on the Project Pan Mini Madness Rolling Pan. Again, I definitely encourage you, if you're interested in project panning, you're brand new to panning and you're scared to pan, kind of like I was a little bit new and scared to panning, definitely check out that link down below for the Facebook group for the PANtastic ladies. Again, they are fabulous. It's a great little community anyway. Also, make sure to check out that other link down below that will link you to everyone's video who is participating in this collaboration as well. Again, I always want to thank you guys truly, truly from the bottom of my heart for spending a little bit of time with me. I really, really do appreciate it. Make sure before you leave that you are subscribe to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos I have coming up. Make sure to give this one a big old thumbs up if you did enjoy it, want to send me some love, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.